Hello. Hi, Seema. First one to join. How are you? How are you and Raj sir doing? Hi, Ruchita. Oh, we have a nutritionist. It's going to be interesting. Hi, Rishika. I think so. This topic is really interesting, which is why everybody is going to be joining in. Okay. Let's just don't ask me how many calories does a glass of wine have. Please don't ask me that question. Naveen has joined, my beer buddy. Yeah. Hi. I'm just going to do this. I'm not going to like do the wave out. Okay. Oh, Sumit is also there. Vivek, hi Vivek. Hi Shalini. Shalini is going to have. Hi Shivani. What's up? So where are I had a very interesting set of comments being coming in that Sandy we're going to be very keen to know what is your take on drinking. Should we drink or not? Well, everybody knows I love my beers, so I'm never going to say no to it. Hi Vijay, what's up? That's a DJ on the house. Sorry DJ, no music right now. Oh, hi Radhika. Husband is on my page. You're on the Easy Human page. Awesome, awesome. Okay. Lalit, hi Lalit, what's up? Oh, the banking days. Okay, so today we have, so all of these set of topics that I try and do for the Thursday lives in terms of on the nutrition front is something which has been designed, with some thought that okay, how should one progress, at on a week to week basis to see how I can share my knowledge, how can I share. The way one should really look at uh, enjoying food rather than taking tension about food. Should I eat this? Should I uh, not eat this? Should I drink this? Should I not drink that? So right from covering things that what should I do, in this lockdown especially, because we've been homebound, to talking about the sweet tooth, to actually coming and talking, and actually it's going to be a very interesting discussion on whether you should drink or not drink. So the main topic of discussion is, you know should one limit their consumption of alcohol, or should they refrain from it completely? And well, I want to let you know that the answer is of course that you shouldn't refrain from it completely. But yes, you shouldn't even be drinking like a fish. Oh, my friend Kaizad has joined me in. He loves his beers. Hi, Sonali, the wine girl. See, I know everybody. I know what everybody likes here. And well, anything and everything done in limited uh, quantities is always good. I'm just going to wait for another maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Yeah, Kaizad, you know why you're laughing? Yeah. Uh, so I'm just going to give another 2 3 minutes. Well, how is your lockdown going? Is anybody, by the way, is anybody? I am very confident about Naveen. Is anybody actually having a pint of beer or a glass of wine while watching this live right now? And I'm so sure about Naveen. He'll be cracking up. No, Baba, I know you're not having a glass of whiskey right now. You're getting into a Scrabble tournament. You're probably going to be having a glass of cold coffee. Uh, yeah, Rivan from Rwanda says I'm confident of Naveen too. Okay, the cage of life. I think so. That's I'm not too sure it is, but yeah. Hi, Asha. Asha, Easy Human really misses you having all the pints of wine over here. Shruti, hi Shruti. How many beers can one guzzle in 1 hour? That is a golden question by the coolest Parsi I know. And yeah, well, Kaizad, in 2006, I think so, we drank a lot. We've become a little older in 2020, so the guzzling has surely gone down. I think so. If you just survive also for 1 hour of drinking, that's a very big thing. Yeah, Radhika on the other chat is really laughing away. Yeah, Naveen has done his calculation, 3 per minute. Amazing. Okay, okay, guys. So now, now I'm just going to change the entire uh, outlook of this entire topic now. Going to make it a little more engaging from a point of view of, as I said, uh, I'm not going to say don't drink, but what I'm going to cover, I'm just going to take you through this. Well, the first thing is it's perfectly fine to drink as long as you're not swimming in alcohol. Okay. Then we will talk about more. This entire talk is going to be more on regular drinking. It is not going to be about that drinking on, okay, it's my best friend's birthday, I'm going for a holiday, I'm going for a special occasion. The idea of all the discussions is what do we do in our regular lifestyle. So when we speak about drinking here, alcohol, it's all going to be on a regular basis. It's not going to be like, oh, let's, it's my best friend's birthday, are you still going to tell me to just have 1 glass of wine? Oh, no way, please finish that bottle. But here it's all going to be about your regular way of living life. Okay. uh do you work out extra? Firstly, if you do work out, do you work out extra to enjoy that extra glass or two? Well, I surely have done that in the past, and I still do it at times if I know that I'm done with my quota of drinking for the week. Not that I'm drinking every week right now, just to clarify that. I miss company of my great friends such as Naveen and yeah, Radhika. Let's not get into the stories we've had. Should I cut down on carbohydrates in the day? Hi Zainab. Hi Ritesh. I'll see you on the top floor after this. uh, should I cut down on carbohydrates in the day? If I'm actually looking at having a drink in the night, well, I'm going to be talking about all of this. What are the healthier drinking options? क्या आप दारू पीते हैं? रितेश ने सवाल पूछा, बिल्कुल सही पूछा। क्या आप दारू पीते हैं? बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बहुत उम्दा सवाल है ये। हाय कुणाल। Kunal, my friends, Kunal, I'm so sure is having a glass of vodka right now, filled up with ice and enjoying this. Uh, Number six, I've got 11 things that I'm going to talk about. Number six, are juices and colas recommended while you're drinking? And even if you do drink limited, one tends to get attracted towards binge eating, or you're eating on the amount of rubbish. So, you guys are giving me really great reactions. I'm sure you have a glass of wine or whiskey in your hand. Okay. Then, is it advised to sip on water while having your drinks? Hi, mom. My mom is finally here. Guys, I can tell you my mom really loves her wine. And I hope my elder brother is actually giving her a glass of wine while she's on this chat. Which alcohols are the healthiest to consume? Whether it's generally, if you look at it from a calorie point of view, or should you be focused on calories or not? And does we all know that alcohol, we always speak about one thing about alcohol, that alcohol is empty calories. Just to let you know why it is empty calories, it's because there is no nutritional value in it. Yes, it's got calories, but there is no nutritional value. So that's why we term it as empty calories. And yes, the kind of alcohol you have, there is some amount of sugar in it. So yeah, Shruti, I have never advised you to have water in between ever, because my belief has always been that beer is German water. Well, I'm just kidding about that, but yeah, you can have a good laugh for that. Okay. How many calories do we gain from wine or cola? Well, Zainab, as I said, everything is based on uh, the kind of alcohol you're having. If you're like actually having about a regular glass of wine, whether it's a white or red, you're consuming anywhere between 120 to 125 calories. Now it just depends on how many glasses you do end up having. But if you're really calorie conscious, then maybe a glass or two is a good de-stressor also. Cola I will not recommend, it's unnecessary sugar. Oh, we have Guneet on the house. She was saying I'm really keen on coming on to this session. Hi Karan over there. So yeah, cola. Surely, I'm going to tell you to please be away from the colas. You really don't need them. That's unnecessary sugar, for sure. So yeah, my mom is saying vodka, gin, wine, beer. Okay, I think so. My mom is already a little high. Uh, yeah, this life should include a beer on the house. Yeah, sure. Yes, Priyanka. I had one surgery last year, October, so I can't lift heavy. Rehan, I would really like to answer this question, but we're talking about a very different topic over here altogether. So, not going to get into that right now. Okay, so now I am going to actually start. While I've just set out the small guidelines as to what this talk is going to be about. Uh, the first thing is I'm going to be talking about regular drinking versus occasional drinking. Regular versus whenever you have Taran, another beer guzzler on the house. Pankaj is there. He doesn't drink. He only drinks wine. And when he drinks, actually, he doesn't drink. You can see his abs. They're all defined right now. And yeah, so when we talk about regular drinking, especially during these times, I think so. The first 30 or 40 days of the lockdown were quite a task for people to actually, the alcohol actually got over in the house, and then they were really really stressed whether anything or the other opens up or not. Are the alcohol shops going to open up or not? Genuinely, it was a big concern, but. Yeah, all said and done, uh, if you are looking at living a healthier lifestyle, I wouldn't suggest binge drinking for sure. Yes, the occasionally that happens, birthdays, weddings, but somebody getting married, or you're going out on a holiday. Or you're in Goa. It depends on those situations where you really don't bother about whether you've had 1 pint of beer, or whether you've had 5 pints, or whether you've had one bottle of wine, or you've had a large whiskey or a small whiskey. But when it actually comes to regular drinking, my recommendation is that, you know try and make sure that you're not really firstly binge drinking. Having a glass of wine or two on maybe twice a week is surely not a problem at all. If you are a beer drinker like me, I love my beer. I love my beer. And it's not like I'm having my beer regularly right now. If I do miss it, I'll probably just somehow get a pint, maybe 2 pints. But my I myself do not really get into more than two pints on any regular day. If I know, if I especially, let's say even if I was not in that lockdown right now, I would keep my drinking to the weekend. I would have that maybe one day, maybe like a Friday or a Saturday, where I know, okay, I'm really looking forward to enjoying my drinks. But again, rather than me looking at having a lot of alcohol, I'd rather break that down and have it maybe twice across the week. A lot of people struggle with a very very small aspect of, and this is something which I'm talking from experience of a lot of clients sharing this with me, is uh, Sandeep, whenever we drink, we end up drinking, we have large drinks, and we end up having, two or three large drinks. So as a nutritionist, of course, if they're over drinking, if they're drinking too much, I would of course advise them to firstly cut it down. And one of the best ways of cutting down when you're really into the larges is to, instead of having one large, for example, just have two smalls. Because again, it's all about, your mind actually coming into the picture over here, that it'll be like, okay, this guy not telling me not to have it, but I'm just having two smalls instead of one large. Or if this sounds better, have four smalls instead of two large. So the idea is, how do you spread that over, those that hour, 2 hour, 2.5 hours of drinking. So you got to take those baby steps if you are somebody who binge drinks. And nobody's saying don't drink, uh, but yes, the idea is to limit the consumption. And of course, if you can just look at, maybe keeping yourself having that having that session of your drinking maybe once a week, it'll be great. At best twice a week. And as I said, there are times when a lot of people like me also who do enjoy their workouts, and sometimes we do one of my friends in Delhi has written drinking is the medicine for the mind, absolutely. And it's actually a de-stressor. But yeah, Tulika, sometimes in that de-stress we end up drinking a lot also. But yeah, so the idea is, the answer is not drinking, but how do you limit and enjoy those that drinks. If you're actually with your pegs are 90 ml. Okay, that's my brother. Yeah. Okay, 90 ml. I didn't know that, Baba. When have you started drinking more? Okay. Then we are looking at we are looking at uh, I'm going to come to my next part of, do you work out extra? Well, does anybody over here work out extra? Does anybody over here work out extra to maybe enjoy that extra glass of wine or two, or a beer? Yes, no, maybe. Yes, no, maybe. Um, I've switched to beer to ciders lately. Not as good as the usual beer, though. Well, Reena, I think so. The ciders actually have more calories than the regular. Uh, if I'm not wrong. Yes, me. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Nope. Eat a bit lesser though. Hey, Sandy. Hate saying, buddy. Okay, maybe yes. Me trying to work out 6 days a week, but yeah, but you guys are not answering my question. You're not answering my question. That um, what do you? Yeah, Dil. Okay, yeah. Pankaj, do you really? Should we post that delusion video? No, that's gonna stay between us. Uh, okay. So, what drinks do you guys enjoy? No, just choose a low cal spirit with water instead of Coke, and I seem to manage. Okay, fine, no problem. But do you drink that because you just feel like drinking and you're not having the Coke, or you like? Okay, so let me share an experience, or let me share accumulated round of experiences over the years. I have tried a lot, that yes, I want to I want to get into the healthier options of drinking, whether it's maybe having my vodka with ice and water and putting that lemon in it. It is of course the healthiest option for sure. Or whether I'm having that white rum, or maybe having that occasional whiskey. Again, when I'm not a whiskey drinker, but there have been times when I just know one thing, that yes, beer is fine. Maybe I can just have 1 pint of beer to start my drinks, but I just love my beer. And if I want to drink, I will stick to my beers. I will work out extra for it. I'm very confident of not drinking too much of it. But yes, when I do drink, whether it's at once in a week or once in 2 weeks or the special occasions, well, I'm pretty famous for the special occasions. Not because I'm over drinking, but I make sure my friends and whoever I'm partying with have a great time. Guneet actually just wrote over there. Hi PD, hi PD. I hope you're enjoying a single malt right now. Uh, I Guneet has very clearly written that I work out extra so that I can enjoy my drink. Working out extra the day after. Oh, Madhvi, your comment just went up. Red wine, gin, beer, whiskey with water. Okay, that's your favorite. That's actually that's a pretty healthy combination. But again, I'd rather just stick to one, Radhika. I feel it's also important to give your system a complete break from alcohol for a month or two. I did that and noticed significant drop in weight, keeping all other variables same. Anish, that's actually pretty. That's actually a very valid point. That every time we actually give our system a break, whether it's from sweets, whether it's from alcohol. Uh, whether it's anything which is unhealthy, it surely shows a great result on the system. And alcohol is something which surely does it does do that. But again, it depends on knowing you personally. You're not a big drinker, but yes, any break is always welcoming. Alcohol isn't bad, excess of alcohol is, right, PD? That's Pankaj Ziman for you guys. My friend from Delhi, the best triathlete I know. And yeah, Sonia, that's my sister. Vodka with orange juice only with you. Yeah, Sonia, every time. Do you know, Sonia, there are times when I have actually put less orange juice in your drink and I've filled it up, actually diluted it more with water. You and Mama both have never come to know about that. Well, the idea is, when we talk about these juices and colas, when it comes to drinking, especially vodkas and rums and the gins and all, uh, primarily they are not the bigger issue. They are not the bigger issue. Whether you're having a 30 or a 60, it's not the bigger issue. The bigger issue is actually all the orange juices and those colas and those sprites, and that pineapple juice which is actually going, that excess of sugar is actually the issue here. So so one way of doing that is to start cutting down those contents and replacing it with water. I can again share experiences, personal experiences with I now the good the thing with me is that I enjoy the alcohol based on the company also one has. So I have a group of my friends, Amit and Gotu, that whenever we would meet, we'll usually just have our rum. It'll be a Bacardi rum with Diet Coke. So it'll just be this much of Diet Coke, because we still want to get that feel of having Coke with the rum. So it'll just be actually literally this much Diet Coke, lot of water, ice, lemon. And trust me, we have never ever felt the need to wanting to get back to having this much of Coke. And we have done this for years. Of course, Amit is in LA right now, and Goto is in Lonavala. No, one of the hill stations. And yeah, so avoid mixers, tonic waters, juices. Yes, that's one of the best ways of ensuring that you are actually consuming your alcohol in a healthier way. Hi Ayush, guys. Ayush is your guy. He's Ayush. Where are you working currently? Are you still with the whiskey brand or the beer brand? Okay, my next thing which I'm going to throw some light on is, even if I drink limited, one tends to get attracted towards binge eating, or eating on the typical Indian word chakna. Huh? So so the chakna is very important. Now, again, making the transition on eating healthier options is just about habit. It's just about habit. As I talk right now, I have clients who I have allowed drinking either on a Friday or a Saturday, who would earlier maybe be, they'll be binging on the typical Indian snacks, your bhujiyas and this and that. But it's actually very easy to make that transition into, maybe something based on chicken, maybe something based on eggs, something based on chana, something based on some salads. It's actually pretty easy to make that transition. Oh, my sister saying, my nieces are saying cheers. Okay, cheers. They're having a glass of water. A white wine or red wine, which is healthier if consuming once or twice a week? Well, Neha, I would just say that whether you're having white or red wine, you should have what you enjoy the most. Because it's, again, when it comes to calories, both of them are literally neck to neck with each other. So whatever you enjoy the most, whatever your palate is more comfortable with. But again, having it once or twice a week, I would say don't go more than two glasses at best. At best, avoid anything made in palm oil. Best is to have cheese. Lots of options available. Well, PD, yes, I would say that, but I would not really want to say have a lot of cheese, because uh, you know you are a very different person when it comes to the kind of training that you're doing throughout the day, plus the kind of nutrition plan that you follow. Again, when I would speak on a forum like this, I have to think about like a normal a normal individual who would look at making lifestyle changes. So if I would say cheese, पता चले वो अंडे, सुबह के अंडे में भी चीज़ खा रहे हैं, खाने में भी चीज़ खा रहे हैं, अब सैंडी ने बोल दिया रात को भी चीज़ खा ले, तो इट्स आई नो आई होप यू आर गेटिंग द ड्रिफ्ट ऑफ व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. So yeah, it of course depends on how much and what kind of a lifestyle you're leading, right from your workouts to your entire nutrition planning throughout the day, and you are a master at it, so kudos to that. Um, so yeah, coming back to eating on rubbish, how many of you actually have this habit of eating unhealthy and are actually trying to find alternates to it? So you can maybe just you can just do a wave like this, the Insta wave, um, or you can just say yeah me, something like that. I hope you haven't all run to your fridges to get a bottle of beer or a glass of wine. I am over here sipping my coffee and I'm talking about alcohol. Oh, Bhumika says okay, okay. So Bhumika, is there anything typical that you end up uh, you know consuming while you're having some of your drinks? Oh, she wants chai. Okay, that's a different topic altogether. Yeah, Neha, it's a Thursday evening. Bhumika wants chai. Okay, while you guys are just thinking what to ask, yeah, I know you're off alcohol. That's a very good thing. Is it advised to sip on water while having your drinks? Well, this is something which I have adapted, and which I have learnt over a period of about the last 1.5 to 2 years. It's not too recent. It's not too I didn't adapt this earlier, but I've realized that whenever whenever I'm having a pint of beer, or I always try and keep water next to me, and while I have one or two sips of whatever I'm consuming, I'll try and have a sip of water also. So what happens is it takes care of an aspect of hydration also, plus it somewhere also helps one not having that extra glass or two, which I feel is a very important thing to look into, especially if you have this habit of अच्छा यार, दो ही तो पिए हैं, चल तीसरी भी पी लेते हैं, अरे तीन ही तो पिए, चल चार यार, आज तो इतने दिनों के बाद मिल रहे हैं, आज तो पांच. So what happens is just sip on that water, keep yourself hydrated, it keeps you a little fuller, and you eat the healthier options. When you keep those combinations going right, one doesn't tend to drink a lot. We'll have a drink. Okay, Dimple is laughing away. I do not know at what, but yeah, must be funny. Okay. Which are the alcohols to consume? Well, I'll just show you. I'm just showing you one. This is the amount of calories which you can actually look at over here. You're talking about red wine and white wine, and then here we are talking about. Well, I do not know how do we. Yeah, can you guys see this a little chart over here? If you see all the drinks below that. Hi Pushon, missed seeing you yesterday. If you look at all the drinks below, your margaritas and the Manhattan and the Cosmos, that's a lot of sugar in it. Hence you can see the amount of calories present in that. So again, uh, hey man. So guys, that's Pushon. Slight diversion. You guys got to follow him. He has amazing music to share with the world. Do share. Baba, please follow Pushon. You will love his music. Pushon Sumit, meet Sumit is my brother, and yeah. So this is just a little chart over here which I did share. I'm going to come back to me now. This chart can just be on top. Yeah. uh, Sugar in alcohol. Well, as much as I would like to say, uh, beer does have the maximum sugar. It has about 3.5 to 4 teaspoons in 1 pint of beer. Then when you come to your wines, actually have the least amount of sugar in it in terms of you know not just 1/4 of a teaspoon. Again, it does not mean you end up having a bottle now, because I said that. But if you're looking at the amount of sugar present in different types of alcohol, just sharing this here again. Well, you can see. I think so. Rena wrote about real. Yeah, so that's a difference between a stout and ale. That's 9 teaspoons, 5 teaspoons, 3.5 teaspoons. Okay, a large pint, 2 teaspoons. Okay, then we are getting into your wines, and you can see the amount of sugar present in that versus the beers. But again, as I say, it's from my point of view, you should drink what you enjoy. You should drink what you enjoy, rather than forcefully drinking on the uh, how do I place this out, rather than just drinking because you feel that it's a healthier drink. You'd rather drink less, but drink your favorite drinks. Don't binge on them. um, does anybody have any questions over here? Does anybody have any questions over here? Hi Hassan, nice to see you, buddy. Vedant has joined. Oh, Vedant has joined. Okay. Hi Neeraj. Radhika, I hope you haven't opened that glass of wine. Ratik, hi Sandy. So I'm just going to peep into Facebook over here now. Hi Ambika. Okay. So anybody has any questions right now? I'm just going to be live for another 5 minutes on this. Hi Shaju. Hi Shaju. Shaju, I hope you're not having a drink in your hand right now. It's a Thursday. It's a Thursday. Well, I'm just going to take you through what I have actually spoken, what I have spoken about, and then if there's anything that maybe I've missed out on, is something that I can cover up. Uh, Point number one: it's perfectly fine to drink as long as you're not swimming in your drinks. Thanks, Shaju. Uh, what I really spoke about was our regular drinking habits and not the occasional drinking. Occasional drinking, you got to have a blast. You enjoy yourself, but again, always remember, uh, where does it really if you are really goal oriented in terms of a fitness aspect, then you need to control that even on special occasions. You don't swim in drinking, but enjoy your drinking. Drink to enjoy. Don't don't drink to get drunk. Hmm? Sakshi, on my Facebook, you can see the page again, the link again. Uh, One point which I raised, which I spoke about, was that do you end up working out extra to enjoying that drink or two? Yes, of course, I do that, and a lot of people who came on the live also actually said that yes, we do enjoy that. So kudos to that. I love that honesty. Should I cut down on carbs during the day? Oh, this is something which I missed out on. Should I cut down on carbs during the day? So what ends up happening is there are times when uh, so two small whiskeys twice a week should be fine. Yeah, Baba, that's absolutely fine. And I know that because you work out also. But yes, you got to refrain from that khatta meetha and the Jim Jam biscuits. So yeah. um, when I talk about carbohydrates, something which I have always tried to follow is, there are occasions when you know that you're going to have those 3 or 4 drinks in the night, whether it's an occasion, whether it's regular. uh, One thing which I have always tried to have my clients also follow, that depending on how much you plan to drink, or it may be unplanned also, in terms of पता नहीं यार दो पीऊंगा या चार पीऊंगा, don't know, I'll try and drink two, those conversations keep on happening. Well, why don't you look at trying and cutting down your complex carbohydrates, or maybe those extra there, that that rice from your lunch, or that or that bread from your breakfast, or that rotis from lunch. So what happens is, when you are cutting off the carbohydrates from there, it's just that, yes, you're cutting down some calories. I'm not saying you have to do it every time, but that maybe once in a while. There are times, like I can share a live example. This just happened 3 days back. My cousin brother in Delhi, Alok, he actually messaged me, and he's actually following a very decent nutrition plan. And he actually, it's his brother-in-law, my brother-in law also, Rishi. It was his birthday. I really missed that party, man. I really missed that party. uh, 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 they were talk he asked me that, I know I'm going to be drinking tonight, I know I'm going to be drinking tomorrow, and I may drink day after. So Fatty is my pet name. Fatty, can you help me out in saying how can I really balance this out, because I know I'm going to have that thing, extra alcohol, because it's Rishi's birthday. So I was like, okay, fair point. I actually just told him, why don't you just cut down your carbohydrates in the day, because there would be times when he would, I know he would have those two slices of bread in breakfast. He'll have that rice, or he'll have those 2 3 chapatis. So I told him, if you know that you're going to do this for 2 or 3 nights, then do one thing, just cut down your carbohydrates over there. Focus on the fiber, focus on all your veggies, focus on the protein. Keep yourself full with all those aspects throughout the day. And yeah, please enjoy yourself. But yeah, don't drink to get drunk, but enjoy those drinks over those 2 3 nights. So that's actually a smart way of drinking. Uh, at at the at the what do you call, at the you're drinking confidently without feeling bad, actually, if I were to place it out there. Hi Helios, how are you doing? The next point was, are the juices and colas recommended while drinking? I've spoken about this. Well, please, they are not needed. If you really, 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 really need to, if you're really conscious, if you really want to get fitter, if you, this is the smallest thing you can do, whether you're drinking your gins, vodkas, rums, you can actually just cut down all those juices and those colas. Just have small, have a little quantity, make, get that glass up with water, ice, and trust me, I can tell you, you will enjoy that drink as much as you would even if you had that full glass of coke or full glass of juice. He binged on pizza. Okay. Okay, Baba. It's okay. We know what Alok does after a few drinks. Okay. Even if I drink limited, one tends to get attracted to binge eating on rubbish. Come on, guys, choose healthier options. Yes, once in a while or twice in a while, having your favorite snacks, whether it's those सोया स्टिक्स के नाम पे जो बोलते हैं, अरे हेल्दी है, कुछ हेल्दी नहीं है, ठीक है, चलो खा लिया, enjoy it, as long as you can have it in limited quantity. You know, occasionally enjoy your chakna. But if you're regular at it, if you know that, okay, right now I'm having I'm going to, it's a lockdown, I'm getting bored, what do I do? Come on, guys, have one drink, de-stress your mind, stick to a salad, be happy. It's a much healthier way of living right now, rather than drowning into sorrow कि ये क्या हो रहा है. इतना बता दूँ, ये सबके साथ हो रहा है अभी. आप VIP नहीं है. Everybody is going through this phase of what's going to happen next. Nobody knows. Bhatakti okay, so Yash, please change your name. Bhatakti Atma, he's written. Okay. Hi Uday Bhaiya. Okay. And yeah, well, guys, Suyash is a lot of fun when yeah, Suyash, you're a lot of fun when you have just that 0.25 ml of beer also. Okay. Is it advised to sip on water while having your drinks? Yes. Have a glass, have a bottle of water, have a bottle of water next to you, have some wine, while you are having your drinks. Yeah, ajwain ka pani the next day to detoxify. Is it a myth? Ina, I honestly don't know if this is the truth or no, but please just drink water. Just keep on hydrating yourself with water and you will be good. You don't need to have ajwain ka pani. Why will you have ajwain ka pani yaar, first thing in the morning to start your day with? Oh, okay. Bad one. Uh, Hi Saurabh. Hi Aditya. Oh, yeah, Aditya is there. It was Rishi's birthday party where Alok had pizza. Okay. What alcohols are the healthiest to consume? I have a list on top over here where you can choose. But again, as I said, you drink what you enjoy. Do not overdrink. But yes, it's all limited. If you are somebody who drinks um, every day, very bad. That's a very bad thing to do. So one thing which you need to do is cut it down half, alternate day. From alternate day go into 2 days, 2 is to 1. From 2 is to 1, 3 is to 1. You got to phase that out over a period of time. You got to get into an aspect of, okay, I'm going to have that. I'm going to enjoy myself maybe once, maximum twice in a week. Occasions are different. Let's look at maybe looking at cutting down carbohydrates. If I know I'm going to enjoy my drinks a lot in the night. Well, how am I going to replace my colas and my juices? Rather than having this much, cut it down, dilute this much water, ice. So yeah, it's pretty easy. It's all about building habits. It's all about changing habits. Helios is one peg a day. Okay, come on, Helios, you know the answer. It is not okay. It is not okay every day, but yes. No, I will not say it's going to be every day. No, man. Again, a peg. I mean, you're just having maybe 30 ml. Helios, I would say maybe why don't you just try and cutting it down by having it every alternate day? Maybe every day something. I wouldn't recommend really. Divya, hi Divya. Oh, Divya from Bangalore. I'm not taking any live requests right now, guys. I think so. I'm going to do that soon. But yes, Divya, I know you love your glass of wine. Hi Farah. Hi Farah. Again, Ina is again asking me this question on I am told to drink ajwain ka pani. Guys, Ina really loves ajwain ka pani. So, uh, yeah, I honestly, I'll have to read about this. I'll have to read about this. I myself am not really, I've never heard about this, if I were to say. Um, but yeah, one thing again, which I'm just going to repeat, keep on hydrating yourself with water so that you don't feel that urge of wanting to really detoxify yourself. I just feel by drinking by drinking water parallelly with your drinks, I think so that detoxification itself starts happening there and then. And as I said, it's something which I have started over the last year and a half, and it has worked well. It has worked well. Winifred has joined in. Winifred, you're late. I'm just going to say bye bye. Hi Anisha. Oh, she's another beer drinker. Hi Robin. I think so. I should be talking about alcohol in every session. At least I should start off for the first 5 minutes, and then everybody's going to start coming in. So, guys, I am going to call this what to eat with alcohol. Aditi, you were also very late in this one. Well, you should always eat healthy. When I say try and eat your salads, while I was in Delhi with you for 2.5 months, we were locked down. Yeah, there were days when we were eating our chaknas, but then there were days we stuck to our salads. So, the healthier option, of course, is to eat your salads, and whether it's little cut salad. You had this habit of having little your little paneer, but again you were not drinking, so I do not know why. Are you asking this question on behalf of Rishi? Okay. And yeah, if any one of you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer right now. I will give you exactly 30 seconds to type. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to type. 30 seconds is. Oh, Kunal is asking. Kunal can ask himself. Kunal, you can enjoy some tikkas also. Again, just don't have that romali roti with the tikka. Am I too late to ask if you can suggest some good ways to detoxify? Well, Divya, uh, uh, I have just spoken about this. Um, that it's a great habit if you can even sip on water while you're sipping on your drink. Having one sip of your drink, having a sip of water, maybe having you've had 2 sips of your drink, you just need to be a little conscious about it, because I don't think so it's a habit we all have. We, having, you're actually having that water, it fills you up also, so you don't end up drinking more also. So if you don't end up drinking more, uh, you are automatically parallelly detoxifying yourself also. But yeah, I mean, maybe having a glass of juice or so in the morning can really help. But honestly, just keep on hydrating yourself. Detoxification happens. What to eat with red wine? Well, Anisha, you can have all your you can stick to all your healthy snacks. You've The chicken tikkas are good, knowing you. And yeah, you've never been a very big eater when it comes to having a lot of food with alcohol. So yeah, a little bit of salad here and there is good. It's much better than all those, the extra chakna. The chakna is like your soya sticks and the soya chips. थोड़ा चलता है just for the taste of it, but yeah. So guys, enjoy yourself. Have a super duper weekend ahead. September is here. The rains are going to be stopping in Bombay. Keep your spirits high. Keep a control on your other spirits, and yeah, enjoy yourself. And if there are any questions you feel I've missed out on, or if there's anything that I've missed out on answering, or you want to ask, please feel free to message me on the Easy Human India page or my personal page over here. Thank you, take care, and I'm going to see all of you next Thursday with another topic, and I can guarantee you it's going to be a fun topic. Thank you so much. Ciao.